Hello MP family, welcome back to NPTressTreats TV. It is Alicia here. How you doing? So today I'm going to talk to you about the Lotus Flower Bomb Bonnet, as well as the Lotus Flower Bomb My Best Hair Kit. So the Lotus Flower Bomb Bonnet is available in 6 sizes: child, baby, toddler, BAB, medium, and extra large. And if you are unfamiliar with the bonnet sizes, feel free to scroll through the YouTube channel just to get some info about the bonnet sizes. Check out the Our Bonnets link on the website, along with the Our Bonnets video on YouTube, and you can see a breakdown of the different bonnet sizes. So it is available in 6 sizes when you buy the bonnet by itself. When you buy it in the My Best Hair Kit, it's only available in regular, medium, and BAB. That is the adult sizes. So I'm just going to break down this whole beautiful print for you. So this is the Lotus Flower Bomb. Super pretty. Let me show you. I'll bring it back. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'll do like a little slow-mo. So it's like this on the outside, and then on the inside it's this beautiful navy blue. And just, you know, when I was picking this print, when I originally purchased this print, my goal was to purchase a print I could use with peach, because I wanted to do a peach inside. But when I brought it to the office, I saw how it matched with the navy, and I just fell in love. So that's why I went with the navy. So I'm gonna show you a little bit. So like I said the sizes already. So it comes with the standard elastic band, or you can get it with the drawstring band. Just so you can see, this is the adjustable drawstring right here, and that way you can adjust it however to fit your needs. So this is the medium size. I'm just gonna put it on just so you can see the medium size looks like, how it fits. So with my locks, I go between a medium and the regular size. So again, this is the medium. So you can see how pretty she is. She's so pretty. So when you buy the bonnet, it comes with a complimentary. When you buy the bonnet on its own, it comes with a complimentary mini scrunchie. Here's the mini. And then when you get the My Best Hair Kit, it comes with a medium size scrunchie. So here's the medium size, this is the mini size. The stretch of these two is approximately the same, but the fluffiness is obviously way different. This is the mini, this is the medium. So with the My Best Hair Kit, it comes with a peach colored scarf. And so the My Best Hair Kit's everything you need to live your best hair life. If you have any more questions about My Best Hair Kits, you can scroll through the YouTube channel, and there's a bunch of videos on My Best Hair Kits. Basically, it is created to give you everything you need, like I said, to live your best hair life and make every day your most amazing hair day. Whether you want to wear your scarf, you know, whether you want to go with a bun, whatever you decide, you can use your scarf to cover your pillowcase so you're not sleeping on a cotton pillowcase. Make sure, you know, if you want to do that, and actually I think it's a great idea to use your scarf to sleep on, to cover your pillow, because then you could just take it off in the morning, rinse it out in the sink, and then hang it to dry. And then when you get home at the end of the day, or whatever, even if you stay home all day, but at the end of the day, it's dry and you can cover your pillow again, and then it's clean like every day. So you're not sleeping on you're not continuously sleeping on a dirty scarf or a dirty pillow, because from like all the oils in your hair. Disregard my dog. So anyway, so that is the, yes, so peach scarf. Okay, so again, peach scarf. And if you need like scarf tutorials, again, scroll through the YouTube channel, and there's a bunch of tutorials for different ways to wear your scarf, different ways you can style your scarf. Peach scarf, Lotus Flower Bomb bonnet with the navy interior, and your scrunchie. So that is the My Best Hair Kit. And then if you purchase the bonnet by itself, you get the bonnet and a mini scrunchie. So thank you so much for watching. Again, scroll through the YouTube channel if you have any questions about anything. Feel free to send us an email, info@NPTressTreats.com. Don't forget to visit the website for your bonnets. Thanks for watching. Love you.